Hi, I'm going to show you how to master templates and snippets in Gmail. Let's imagine I want to send out a conference reminder. I open up Gmail and type out my message. That works great if I just send it once, but what if I need to send out similar messages repeatedly? We're going to use a Chrome extension called TextBlaze to automate this work. I copy and paste the email into TextBlaze. This will be our template that we also call a snippet. We can use it over and over again. Give it a name and a shortcut. It's completely up to you what shortcut you decide to use. The shortcut will allow you to quickly and efficiently insert your text wherever you want. Now, let's go back to Gmail. Now I type my shortcut. And that's it. Let's try it again. It worked. Now I can reuse this email whenever or wherever I want. We can also add rich text styling to our snippets. I'm going to go back to TextBlaze and bold and underline some text. We can also add fonts, colors, lists, pictures, and more. Now we go back to Gmail and we can see our email is now styled when we insert the snippet. TextBlaze templates or snippet work anywhere in Chrome, not just Gmail. Let's jump over to Outlook and try to insert a snippet. Gmail, Outlook, Google Docs, or whatever website you use, TextBlaze should work there. One more thing. With TextBlaze, you can share a group of snippets with others. When you make changes to them, changes will be visible to your team immediately. You can be sure that the team is always using the right messaging. It is also possible to give other people editing rights to the snippets. If you want to give TextBlaze a try, you can download it from blaze.today. It's free to try.